Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question, and today our question is valid word, and this is the first question of today's contest. This is quite of based on your knowledge of STL. If you are aware about some functions, then you can make your code slightly neater and uh, faster in terms of typing. So that was the crunch of this problem. So let us see. Uh, it says that, just a second, you are given a string word. A word is considered valid if it contains minimum of three characters. Okay. If it consists of digits 0 to 9 and the uppercase and lowercase English letters. Not necessary to have all of them. That means it should either have 0 to 9 or uppercase letter or a lowercase letter. So it should not have any special character other than that. That is only what this line means. It should include one vowel at least, and it should include at least one consonant. It can have more. Now, these vowels and consonant can be either in uppercase or lowercase. So that is not an issue. Okay. So we need to just analyze that the given word is uh, sort of satisfying these conditions or not. So let us quickly go through how we can do that. Now, first of all, we will check the length. First condition itself. If the length is less than 3, no need of going forward. We can simply return a false. Now, what we need to check is that either there is a special character, so we will return a false. If there is no vowel, then we will return a false. If there is no consonant, then we will return a false. So I have made two variables, has vowel and has consonant. Now I will iterate the string and check that if it is alpha, that means is alpha C. What does this mean? Uh, this means that it is an alphabet, lowercase or uppercase, doesn't matter, or it belongs to a number 0 to 9. So if it is either alphabet or it belongs to a number, then I will go inside, else I will return a false. Now, if it is an alphabet, then I have to make sure that it contains at least one vowel and a consonant. So if it is an alphabet, then either it will be a vowel or it will be a consonant. So I will check if it is a vowel. So vowel checking is very simple. I will first make the character to a lowercase character. Then I will check if it is small a or small b or small c and so on. Sorry, A, E, I, O, U. These are my vowels. So I will check if it is any of these vowels. If it is yes, then I will return a true. If it is no, then I will return false. So if even if once I get a vowel, then this condition will execute and I will have a has vowel true. Else I will have a has consonant true. Now finally, what I need to return? I need to return if. So here I check that my string is within 0 to 9 and alphabet. And now I will, if I have has vowel and has consonant as true, so I will return that, else I return false. So yeah guys, this was very simple. Thank you so much guys. We shall see you next time.